Okay, hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Matthew, and today I want to continue on from a previous video that I touched on, which was the Bonus Builder AI product by Kevin Fahey. And what I want to do today, I know I mentioned that I'll be taking you through how I actually create a bonus page, but as I'm busy creating that video, I wanted to start just by sharing something a bit simpler. Because the video that I'm going to share with you in terms of creating the whole campaign is going to take a bit longer, but I wanted to get something out with you today just to show you what this product can actually do for you. I've actually been blown away by how quickly it is to create bonus pages, to create bonuses, and if you get the upsell with this product, you're actually going to get the 100 done for you bonuses as well, which are really, really high quality. Before I jump into anything though, I wanted to just share with you a couple of the bonus pages that I've done. So here's one that I started off with just to give you an idea. This was all done using the Bonus Builder AI page builder. So that's the one. The second one that I've done is this one. I've just finished this. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different ways you can do it. And these are all these bonuses that I've got here are part of the built-in bonuses from Kevin Fahey. And here you can see you've got some real results from users. Again, this is all very, very simple, but the one in terms of like the layout and like nothing complicated that you have to do. But the one thing that I've noticed, guys, is that there is a significant difference between ChatGPT and this Bonus Builder AI. Very easy to think I'm just going to log on to ChatGPT and ask it to do the same thing for me. I tried. It didn't give me anywhere near the results that I was looking for. Remember that, number one, Kevin Fahey has been around in this industry for a long, long time, right? He has learned what works and what doesn't work, and he's now learning he's now training this AI how to think like he does. And that's the biggest difference in terms of the quality of the output, right? Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you, and this is what I'm going to show you today in terms of how you can actually go about creating pages with this Bonus Builder AI, is I created something slightly different. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to put a bunch of resources that I've gathered together onto a resource page that I can share with people, so that people didn't necessarily have to always opt in. Look, it's always great to collect leads, right? But sometimes I just want to be able to share value with people and just be able to give away free trainings, give away free resources that people can use, right? And then always indicate at the bottom if there are programs that you recommend that people can check out if they'd like to, right? So I came up with the idea of kind of like a resource page. And I'm actually going to include this resource page in the description below if you want to check it out. But basically, this is what it looks like, right? So I call it the Exclusive Resource Vault. And basically, it is a bunch of free kind of lead magnets that you can use and download, and a bunch of exclusive free trainings, right? So these are kind of free videos. The nice thing with these free videos is they actually do link to a sort of low cost, low ticket paid offer if you do want to move forward and check out the free check out the paid training. You don't have to. You can just access the front end training. But if you do decide to do something like this, this is how you can monetize it, right? So you've got access to these lead magnets and you've got access to the free training courses. And then at the bottom, what I've done is I've said, if you want to accelerate your success, then here are 2 additional options, right? You can apply to have me build your entire business for you, or you can check out my #1 recommended traffic resource. So this is kind of a very low stress way of monetizing something, but at the most important thing is creating value for people in the front, right? You're giving away free checklists, you're giving away free trainings, you're giving away then your recommendations in terms of things that work for you, right? So this I'm really, really excited about. And I honestly started with absolutely nothing, right? And I wanted to share with you just a very brief kind of process that I use in terms of how to create a page like this. So here is your Bonus Builder AI bot, right? And what I'm going to say to it is, okay, please create a resource page that I can use to share with people as a lead magnet and as a value generating and as a value generating document. The page should have 3 sections. The first section should be called high value lead magnets. The second section should be called free trainings and workshops, and the final section should consist of 2 buttons. The first one called apply, click here to apply to work with me, click here to apply to have me build your entire business, and the second button should be called click here to access my #1 traffic resource. The page should be, so I'm going to do this one slightly differently. The page should be in the first section should consist of 9 tiles of 9 resources presented in a tile format. So that's kind of the square format. Underneath each tile is a button that says access resource here, access here, or download here. And the free trainings free training section should have 9 tiles as well, with a button for each that says access free training. The design should be a red and black, highly polished, sleek style. Okay, I'm going to start with that. You're probably not going to get it right the first time. I just wanted to give you an idea as to the prompt that I used, right? So, give me the HTML code for this page, please. Okay. Now, you do have to talk to it, right? Don't think that you're going to get it right the very first time. But I wanted to show you, give you an idea as to what to expect. Okay. So at the moment, it's building out the HTML code, and I'll show you what you're going to do with that in a second. Okay, so it's done. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to copy the code. I'm then going to go into, I use HBA. So I'm going to come into my HBA back office. I'm going to go over here to the little add widget sign, come down to where it says code, and I'm going to drag the code over there, right? Okay, done that. Now all I do is I paste the code that I've copied, and I do that. Sorry, this block, I apologize, I should have deleted this block. Okay, there we go. Right, so this is what you've got, right? Which, as a first kind of effort, is actually pretty good. And look, I'm not going to spend the whole day here reformatting this, but I wanted to just show you what you can do. Okay, so you've done this. The second thing that I'm going to do which I like to do, is I'm going to come over here to block, and where it says resize container, I'm going to click on that, and that's going to make the thing go across the entire page, right? Cool. Okay. Now, what I wanted to show you, so you've got this, and then you've got the two buttons at the end, right? Now, what you can do is, I'm going to do a couple of things here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, please make the first button, click here to have me build your entire business, the same format as the second button, because I would like them to look the same, right? I don't want this to, I don't like the different color stylings there. It just doesn't look nice. So I'm going to say, thanks. Always got to be polite to this thing, right? Please make the first button, the format of the first button. Click here to apply to have me build your business. The same as the second button, i.e. red, full, white text. Okay, I'm going to say that. So I'm just going to give it that prompt, and then I'll show you what that does. Generally, pretty easy to format these things, to talk to it, to tell it what you want. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, copy that. Come back here. Click on that, go edit code, and then I'm just going to replace the entire code. Okay. Cool. There we go. Now, again, you can adjust this again, right? You can ask it, please center this font, please center this font so that it looks nice. But I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to waste your guys' time. Okay, but just talk to it like you wanted to. You wanted to make the changes, right? Okay, I'm going to come up here and say save. Then I want to show you guys something else. So now you've got the basic layout. Let's say that you're happy with it. I would ask it to make these this font black so that I can see it. You can obviously change it the way that you want to change it, right? But now I want to say, okay, so now what I want you to do is I want to be specific about what these things are, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do, and I'm just going to worry about changing the headlines. I'm not going to worry about changing the actual text, right? So I'm going to come over here. I've got a couple of lead magnets that I'm going to use. But before I do that, I'm going to just write the basic prompt. Thank you. Let's update the lead magnets to the actual ones I want to use. For the first two, so I'm just going to be specific, and I'm going to say the 7-figure funnel blueprint, and ultimate traffic cheat sheet. Please update with these resources. Right, so now I've got a couple of lead magnets saved here, right? So I'm going to say YouTube Traffic Mastery, and I'm going to copy this link, right? YouTube Traffic Mastery checklists, link. And the second one is going to be, I'm going to say using AI for online marketing, right? Okay, link. Right, that. Okay, so it's going to update. And I'm only going to ask it to do the first two because, again, like once you've understood how to update two, then you're going to understand how to do everything else. You literally just tell it, please update these resources with this information. All right, I'm going to come back here and do this. Okay, there we go. Cool. So you can see it even decided that it was going to update the text inside, which is quite cool. You can obviously change that the way that you want to, right? But I'm going to say save. And then I'm going to come here and I'm just going to test it, right? So you can see what it looks like now. And obviously what I would do is I would change this text so that it's all on two lines, the same as this one, if you do want text inside, so that this button can move up and etc. Right? It's not going to be perfect right now, but I'm giving you an idea. So let me just show you. Cool, there we go. Right now, the one thing that I usually do is I usually say to it, and you literally just have to talk to it and say to it, okay, cool. Can you please make sure that when I download the resource, it downloads into a separate window rather than downloading into the same window, right? And then it'll do that for you. It's very, very easy to do. Cool. But again, basically this is, and you can change the background, you can have a different background color, etc., right? The other thing that I wanted to show you very quickly was I wanted to show you how you could potentially come and embed a video. So let's go and what am I going to do here? Come down here. I'm not going to go there. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to embed a video here, right? So just above where it says high value lead magnets, I wanted to embed a video that is going to say introduction to the resource page, right? Okay, so I'm going to come back here and go back to my AI coach and say, thank you. Please, can you embed this YouTube video underneath the heading for the page, but above where it says high value lead magnets. Title the video introduction to the resource page. Introduction to your resource page. Right, so I am just uploading any one of my YouTube videos because I obviously didn't have time to create a new completely different video, but I just wanted to show you. So I'm asking it to embed the video into the resource page. You give it the YouTube link and wait for it. Cool. Okay, wait for it to do that. And then we're going to come and we're going to do exactly the same thing. Cool. Okay. There we go. Let me just show you what this actually looks like in reality. Yeah, you can see the video is the right size. Actually looks really nice. You can adjust the space. You can ask it to move things up, move things down. But you can see, like, and again, I would probably put some color in the background here. But as a general rule, and you can see you've got the heading here, just ask it to change the color of the heading. But basically the idea is awesome, right? In terms of what it's produced in a very short space of time. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you very quickly is the embedding of images. And this is one of the things also that I like about HBA is it gives you the ability to store images, right? And to host the images basically, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to create a image quickly, and I want to show you this because I love the images. So I am part of Results with Kevin AI, if you join Results with Kevin AI, it's all of his coaches basically, plus his courses. It also includes a bonus builder AI, but it doesn't include the upsell of 100 free bonuses, right? Or 100 additional bonuses. So anyway, I'm going to come in here to his image generator coach, and it's powered by Nano Banana. Actually, I realized I made a mistake, and I'm going to show you this in a second. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, create a product mockup image for a product called Your Ultimate Resource Vault. Include a product box and make it look professional and sleek from a aesthetic perspective. Right? Now it's going to go and create the mock-up for you. Okay. Here is the image link. Something like that. I think that looks really cool, actually. I think it's got a nice kind of AI type feel about it. You can come in here and save image as. Okay, there we go. Anyway, so that's how you're going to create images. Then all you would do, I wanted to show you, I don't want to take too much of your time, but all you would do is you would come back to the bonus builder and you would basically say to it, you would go and host the image on HBA. I'm happy to create different videos on how to do that, but again, want to be mindful of time. You want to come back to the bonus builder and say, get the code, because now we've lost the code, as you can see. Get the code, copy the code, come back to bonus builder AI and say, here's the code for the bonus page I was working on, or the resource page I was working on. What I would like you to do is take the image from, and wherever you're hosting the image, right? Take the image and add it as a, add it next to the title. Maybe you want to include the image over here next to the Ultimate Business Resource Vault, right? And embed it there, and then it will do exactly that, right? So again, really, really cool, really easy to customize. You literally just have to talk to this thing as if you know, in the way that you wanted to build out your resources. So yeah, apologies for a little bit of stuttering and starting here and there from a video perspective, but I wanted to create this thing for you from scratch, and I wanted to give you an idea as to what it was capable of doing. Now, if I were you, I would look at doing something like this, because you want to, again, if you're doing affiliate promotions, you want to come up with bonuses, right? Let me just show you very quickly. Under the bonus builder, so I've got this upsell, which I think is amazing. Obviously, the bonus builder itself helps you to create your own unique bonuses for the specific products that you're creating. But then again, under this rapid affiliate bonus page creator, you've got a ton of done for you bonuses over here, right? 100 of them, which is amazing. So if you like what I've shown you here and you would like to start working on creating your own business where you can start doing affiliate marketing promotions, have bonuses done, have pages created, Home Business Academy for me is the best thing that you can join that will help you to do this quickly. It's the most effective and cost effective. It's only $25 a month, right? So check out Home Business Academy. The link will be in the description below. My bonus page, my resource page, I'm including below as well. This one that I've created. So you can go and check out these resources. There's some really cool ones here. If you've got any questions, pop me an email. I would love to work with you to come up with your own bonus pages to help you start your own affiliate promotions. If you're just getting started, this might seem like a lot of information and you might not be sure as to how you're actually going to go about doing it. So please get in touch with me. Let's work together. Let's start creating some affiliate promotions for you, and let's start helping you get ahead of the rest of the pack by creating really, really standout affiliate promotions, bonuses, bonus pages, etc. Guys, I'm super excited about this. It is an amazing tool, an amazing resource. Home Business Academy is incredible. Encourage you to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk soon, guys. Take care. Bye for now.